Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Think Numerically. I am Priya. Today's topic is expansion formulae. This is one of the crucial topics of algebra from class A Maharashtra Board syllabus. Also, the links to the playlist of the other classes covered till now is provided in the description box. So do check it, and also please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Now let's get started with our topic today. Expansion formula. In the previous classes we have already studied these three expansion formulas. Let's recall it once again. The first one is a plus b the whole square equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So if we have any two terms, or you can say any two numbers, and we have to square its addition, so we can expand it like this. And if we have two terms and we have to square its subtraction, so we will use the second expansion, that is a minus b the whole square equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So here just the sign is different. Here plus sign becomes negative sign. Now the third one is a plus b, a minus b is equals to a square minus b square. If you have any two terms, then product means multiplication of their sum, and their subtraction is subtraction of their individual square, that is a square minus b square. So let's solve these few examples related with this formula. The first one is x plus 2y the whole square equals to. Now this is in the form a plus b the whole square. So we can use this expansion to find this answer. Okay. So here a plus b the whole square. So here a will be x and your b will be 2y. According to the formula we get a square. So squaring a. So x square is there already written. Then 2ab means 2 is multiplied with a and it is multiplied with b. So 2ab will be what? 2 multiplied by a is your x and b is your 2y. So it will be 2 multiplied by 2 is 4 and then xy. So therefore your answer will be 2xy. Okay. Now the second one is 2x minus 5y the whole square. This is of the form a minus b the whole square. So we will use this expansion. So first one is a square. Here a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay. So here a is your 2x, that is your first term, a equals to 2x and b equals to 5y. Do not take the sign. 5y. Okay. So first is a square, squaring a. So a ka square will be 2x the whole square, that is 2 square is 4 and x square is x square. So here 4x square will come, and at the last place you want b square respected with this. So b square, 5y the whole square. 5 square is 25 and y square is y square. So 25 y square. Now the third one is 101 the whole square. Now 101 can be written as 100 plus 1. So 100 plus 1 the whole square. So it is in the form a plus b the whole square, where your a is 100 and b is 1. So your 100 square will come. A square means 100 square. 100 square plus 2ab. 2 multiplied by a multiplied by b. So 2 multiplied by 100 multiplied by 1 will give you 200. So now adding these terms. So 100 ka square is 10,000 plus 200 and plus 1 ka square is 1. So you get 1, 0, 2, 1, 0. So you get 10,201 as your answer. Now the last one, 5m plus 3n multiplied by 5m minus 3n. So here clearly, here the terms are the same. first and second terms are the same, just the sign is different. So it is exactly the third expansion. So we will use this, that is a square minus b square will be the answer. Here your a is 5m, as here 5m is there and here 5m is there, and b is your 3n. So it will be a square. So 5m the whole square minus 3n square. So 3n the whole square. 5m the whole square will be 5 ka square and m ka square. So 5 ka square is 25 and m square is m square. 3n the whole square. So 3 square is 9 and n square is n square. 9n square. That's it. The first expansion to be studied is expansion of x plus a and x plus b. Here we have x plus a and x plus b. Both are binomials. Binomials means polynomials having two terms. So here 1 and 2 terms, 1 and 2. So both have two terms, and in that one of the term is common in them and the other one is in common part. So now let's find their expansion. First we will multiply them. So x plus a multiplied by x plus b. So how do we multiply two expressions? By splitting the first one and by distributing it. So x multiplied by the second bracket plus a multiplied by the second bracket. So you will get x multiplied by x plus b, then this plus sign, plus a multiplied by x plus b. Now we will multiply them. X multiplied by x is x square plus x multiplied by b is xb plus a multiplied by x is ax plus a multiplied by b is ab. Clearly, in these two terms we have x as common. So we will get x square plus x outside the bracket and inside the bracket we have a plus b, or you can say b plus a, both are the same, plus a plus b. Thus x plus a multiplied by x plus b can be expanded as x square plus x outside the bracket, and inside the bracket we have the uncommon terms, that is a plus b plus a multiplied by b, that is we get three terms here. Now we will use this expansion formula to solve our first practice set. Practice set 5.1, the first question is expand, and the question is a plus 2 and a minus 1. So we have to use this expansion here, but here we have x plus a, x plus b. There is no negative sign. So we will take the value of b as minus 1. Okay. So this can be written as a plus 2, a minus a plus of minus 1. Here we have a as the common term, so a will be your x. Here x equals to a equals to 2, and your b equals to minus 1. So now using this expansion, using x plus a, x plus b equals to x square plus x into a plus b plus a multiplied by b. You need to mention the expansions you are using in each of the sums, okay? So here you will get according to this, therefore this your a plus 2, a minus 1 becomes x square. So x is your a. So a square plus x is again a. Inside the brackets a is your 2 plus b is your minus 1. So minus 1 plus a multiplied by b. So 2 multiplied by minus 1. Okay. So now simplifying this you will get a square is a square plus a multiplied by 2 plus minus is minus, so 2 minus 1 plus 2 multiplied by minus 1. So 2 multiplied by 1 is 2 and minus 1. So minus 2. So you will get a square plus 2 minus 1 is 1. So a multiplied by 1 is a only. A and plus minus is again minus. So minus 2. This will be our final answer. Now the fifth question is 3x plus 4y multiplied by 3x plus 5y. So here 3x and 3x is common in both the expressions. So using this formula, this will be your x, a and b. So here x equals to 3x, a equals to 4y and b equals to 5y. So therefore by using this expansion, you need to write this expansion here, okay? You will get therefore 3x plus 4y multiplied by 3x plus 5y equals to x square. So squaring this term, 3x the whole square plus a plus b. So it will be a is your 4y plus 5y multiplied by x. So multiplied by 3x plus a multiplied by b. So your a is 4y and b is your 5y. Now by simplifying this, you will get 3x the whole square. So 3 square and x ka square. So you will get 3 square is 9 x square plus 4y plus 5y. Both are like terms, so we can add their coefficients. So 4 plus 5 is 9. You get 9y here multiplied by 3x plus 4y multiplied by 5y. So here we have to multiply their coefficients and also we will multiply their variables. So 4 multiplied by 5 is 20 and y multiplied by y you get y square. 20 y square. Now we will multiply this middle term. So you will get 9x square plus 9 multiplied by 3 is 27. 27 and y multiplied by x is yx, or you can say xy. xy plus 20 y square. That's it. The next question is x plus 1 upon x multiplied by x minus 1 upon x. So here x and 1 upon x. So instead of using this expansion, we can use the other expansion, that is a plus b multiplied by a minus b is equals to a square minus b square. So it will be much more simpler. Here a equals to x and b equals to 1 upon x. So using the expansion a plus b, a minus b is equals to a square minus b square. This will become, so therefore this will become x plus 1 upon x multiplied by x minus 1 upon x equals to a square minus b square. So a is your x square minus 1 upon x the whole square. So x square is x square minus 1 upon x the whole square means 1 square and x square. So 1 square is 1 only. 1 upon x square. This will be our final answer. The ninth question is 1 upon y plus 4, 1 upon y minus 9. So here 1 upon y is common. So we will take it as x and this will be your a and b. Here x equals to 1 upon y, a equals to 4 and b equals to minus 9. Okay. So now by using this expansion we get this equals to x square. So squaring this value 1 upon y the whole square plus a plus b. So a is your 4 and plus b. So b is your minus 9. Minus 9 multiplied by x. So x is 1 upon y plus a multiplied by b. So 4 multiplied by minus 9. 4 multiplied by minus 9. So you get, after simplifying it, 1 upon y the whole square. It will be 1 upon y square plus inside this bracket 4 plus and minus 9. So it will be 4 plus minus is minus. So minus 9 1 upon y plus 4 multiplied by 9 is 36 and sign of negative number. So minus 36. This will be equals y square will be as it is 1 upon y square plus 4 minus 9. So 9 minus 4 is 5 and sign of greater number. So it will become minus 5 multiplied by 1 upon y plus minus is minus and minus 36. Thus you get 1 upon y square minus 5 multiplied by 1 is 5. 5 upon y minus 36. This will be your answer. Now, this was the last sum for the day. I have not solved all the sums from this set, but if you have followed each and every sum which I have done here, then surely you will be able to do the remaining sums. I will see you in the next lecture with practice set 5.2. Till then, practice the sums again, and still if you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment sections below or on my email ID. Thanks for watching.